Hi, everyone. I'm Katie O'Brien, Senior Accountant and in-house digits expert here at Hiline. Welcome to the first video in our Digits and Hiline series, where I'll be showing you how to leverage this powerful tool to get real-time insights about your business finances. Today, I'm going to walk you through a dashboard view of Digits, showing you exactly what you'll see when looking at a month's worth of financial data. I'll also demonstrate how to create custom widgets so you can spotlight the specific metrics that matter most to your business right on your homepage. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what Digits is and why our partnership with them is transformational for small businesses. Digits is a cutting-edge financial intelligence platform that Hiline has integrated with our services, giving you access to AI-powered insights and real-time financial data. Unlike traditional accounting, where you're waiting weeks or months for financial statements, Digits gives you 90% accurate information every day, which means you can make decisions when they matter, not 3 weeks after the fact. As a business owner, I know one of your biggest pain points is struggling to interpret complex reports and understand what's actually happening in your business. Digits solves this by giving you a visually intuitive dashboard that updates in near real time and lets you drill down into any area you're curious about. Stick around to the end of the video where I will share some pro tips for maximizing the value of your dashboard, including specific recommendations on what you should be looking at daily and monthly to grow your business the smart way. Let's get started. Welcome to your Digits dashboard. Here, you're going to see all of your financial data in one place, and you can look at any time period that's relevant to you. So the most important thing I will call it at the beginning is in this top left here, you will see the time period. So Digits lets you look at months, years, quarter, anything that's relevant to you. There's even preset time periods here, so you can look at anything you want. I'm going to look at February 2025, last month, and have that set. You'll see an income analysis and expense analysis up top. Everything is completely in a view where you can dive into it. So you can hover over any of these customer names and you'll see interactive data where you can click around and see top transactions or more details to view if you want to look at that. Same thing for expense analysis. You'll see all your operating expense detail broken out into different categories. You can also see top vendors and top transactions. As we scroll down here, you'll see all of these widgets that we have in place for you. Total cash, gross income, net burn, runway. All of this you can add or delete to. You'll see a summarized P&L. Again, totally hoverable. Everything brings up so much data and detail when you look at it. Accounts receivable, we have gross burn, net income. Here at the bottom, you have 2 tables of your top customers and top vendors. You'll also see that it's showing you a month-over-month comparison. So for example, here, Catwoman, we earned about $2 million from, and that was down about $500,000 from the previous month. Down here too, you'll also see class information. So if you track your P&L by class, you'll see different breakdowns here of your income. One thing that's super cool, let's say I don't care about gross burn, or if I want to add a new widget to my dashboard, I can click this edit button in the top right-hand corner. You'll see 3 dots come across all of these. I can delete any widget that I want and it goes away. And you'll see how much bigger these 3 widgets got, which is great too. If you want to see something bigger, you can put it in its own row. You can have up to 4 widgets on a row together. And over here, all the other options of things you can add to your dashboard. So a lot of these are pre-populated, but you can also make your own widgets to add in. There's financial statement widgets. There is lists, top expense categories, top vendors. Here's some dimensional data. So we're diving into departments or customers, and then custom widgets. Any text you want. If you have KPIs you want to track, you can drop in files. I'll show you how easy it is to take basically a total cash. Oh, we already have total cash, but if I wanted to add in a new widget here, just add it in. It can go anywhere, so you can move all of this around, completely customizable to however you want to see your data. And then I just click done. Let's say I want to see something like also super specific, my insurance spend. Drag that in. And then every month and every time I come to my dashboard, I'm going to see my insurance spend right here up top. All of these too, you can like dive further into them. So if I click on anything, all the data is here for me. Everything from transactional detail down to the smallest level possible into subcategories. This is at your GL level, departments, vendors, as well as these kind of AI insights, which are great. These update all the time with your data. So it's comparing you to prior month, prior year, etc. And just for a fun look, let's take a look at this year to look at a different time period, and you'll see everything update in real time. How awesome is that? I love this little runway calc here, profitable, which is great. That's an exciting thing to see every month. And it even shows you for some of these financial KPIs like runway, it shows you how it's calculating those, which is also great. So you can dive into the calculations that are happening. Even up in this top, it's giving you a definition of the KPIs as well. And there you have it. You've now seen how the Digits dashboard can transform your financial visibility and give you real-time insights whenever you need them. Remember, the power of this platform comes from customizing it to highlight what matters most to your business. So take some time to set up those custom widgets we talked about. In our next video, we'll explore the Ask Digits AI chatbot feature, which makes getting answers to your financial questions as easy as typing them in plain English. You definitely won't want to miss that one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Our team monitors these, and your feedback helps us create more useful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.